Guys, Akeen, Rajero.
Mommy, good soup?
It is very good soup, Papa.
Guys, so we're at the Canadian Red Cross. About to get a wheelchair for my baby. Yeah, me and Rajero. Yeah, guys, life after surgery, you know? Just gonna have to be picking up the pieces like I always do. We're about to get a wheelchair in this place, and yeah, just to ensure that my wife is okay. She can't move around, so I think it would be best to get that for her, so she'll be okay. So we're here, about to get it.
She hung up the phone before I could ask her which side. She wanted
Oh, it's her left foot that's injured, her left knee. Yeah.
left, okay? I'm in the middle lefty.
Yeah. Young Dan. You.
Like this. Oh, sorry, it's right here. Who are you? What you got? Oh,
Guys, so this is a wheelchair extender, so she can extend her
the doors open.
left knee and stuff. So
That's cool.
that's okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We need paperwork for it before we get out. Or
We need paper, yeah, because we got to make sure that this goes through the system. Because
okay,
sometimes
yeah,
the number bounces back at us.
okay. Go to the car. I'm coming. Go to the car, Raj. Go to the car, Daddy. So guys, I got the wheelchair for my baby. Well, guys, that was a journey to put it in the car. Right, Raj? It was a journey, man. But we got it in now and we're gonna do some grocery. So come on with us. I love you.
I mean,
Shopping. Yeah, it's a hard task. It's not my best point. One done. That a Raj done. One done. And a Raj done. Though. Cold, man. Bad brother, man. Love you.
love you.
But say, I want some food, some little. Peter can cook some food, be done. Right, Raj?
Yeah?
Got that hungry now?
Yeah.
I'll cook some food, see?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'll cook some food. Yeah, Dad?
Yeah, Dad.
Okay.
Big up. You know, make soup. My wife can do better right now. And what is your soup, lovey?
So good, thank you.
So, guys, I take the wheel. You know, my wife.
Daddy, can
So the wheelchair we went for. Yeah. What's that, Raj?
Is it good, Papa?
Yeah.
So is this soup? Rajero loves soup, guys. So my wife told me she wants white people soup.
No,
but
I
think
did-
it's partially black people soup still.
All I said was I
Because I-
didn't want any rice or
Yeah.
noodles or dumpling, anything. I want to lose weight and
So I think that consider white people soup. So, but you still, I don't know how to make the white people one, so I still kind of partially make it black people.
is this a vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I cannot get up for maybe 6 to 8 weeks or something like that. So I have to be careful what I eat because I'm gonna gain a bunch of weight laying down in the bed all day. So I need to eat healthy.
Guys, Akeen, Rajero.
Mommy, good soup?
It is very good soup, Papa. Mommy loves it. Daddy's a good cook.
guys, look, I'm here meal prepping for my beautiful wife. So tomorrow, if I had to go to work, she'll be okay. Yeah, so I'm taking care of her.
Come on, baby, bring it out. Bring out the piston cup. Chica, yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where the girls? Bring out the confetti. Oh, easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my...
So guys, we're back again. We are back again, guys. Back again. You know, it's me and Rajero day again. We're about to vlog our day. You know, I haven't been preparing nothing for my wife for Christmas, but I heard she's preparing a lot. You know what? But she told me some stuff that she wants. I'm gonna bring you guys on the journey to show you guys some of the stuff that she wants and see if I can grab a couple things. You know what I mean? And see how that works out. So you guys just stay tuned for it. Be blessed. Rajero, say hi to the family.
Hi, family.
Hi family. Say cheese. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your beautiful teeth. Cheese. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, me and the boss are travel today. The boss say I'm hungry and he want a cookie. So guess what? We're going to check out the dollar store. Give me first tour in the dollar store. Make him go quick out him cookie. Right, Raj?
Yeah.
You gonna choose a cookie?
Yeah.
So unbuckle your belt then, Papa. And let's go. Unbuckle your belt. Let's go, Dan. Yeah. Hey guys, we're visiting Dollarama. Rajero wants some cookie. Don't get this often, so. But because it's Daddy Sunday, I'm spoiling him. Right, Raj?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a cookie aisle. Look at these ones. These are some nice cookies too. Well, I won't choose for you. You choose for yourself.
That one.
Are you familiar with these ones?
That one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. These two. Guys, so while I'm here, let's grab some juice boxes for him too. And one snack for me and stuff. Yes, after we purchase it, Roger, we're coming out now. That's it, man. Pretty demanding. But it's Daddy Sunday. We're gonna get some stuff for him. I'm gonna check out some stuff for my beautiful wife too. So, yeah. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Stop your feet.
Stamp your feet? Okay, go for it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet.
Come here.
If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stamp.
Amen.
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Amen.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Amen. Clap your hands.
Clap your hand. I love you.
Now you.
What did mommy said us to get? Cheese and what?
Cheese and bread.
Cheese and bread. That's what mommy said to get for you?
Yeah.
Cheese and bread?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get cheese and bread then, alright?
Yeah.
Rajero love his cheese. I don't know if it's bread though, but he love his cheese, so we're gonna get it.
That's car.
Okay. You gotta unbuckle your belt. Unbuckle your belt. Guys, we get what was requested for Rajero. Cheese and banana. He love his cheese and he love his banana, so he doesn't eat much. So we've got to ensure that we have what he eats. So yeah. Finally we reach at Costco, guys. Me and the young one. So guys, this is what she said she wants, right? She came home and she said she wants this. And I think it's really a pretty good watch, right? So I think I'm gonna get it for her. You know what I mean? They have some nice stuff. You know, she doesn't ask for much, so you know, it's like get it. Said she want a bracelet too, but I don't think I'm gonna get the bracelet here. So yeah, that's the watch. Scan it again, take one last peek. It's pretty good. She loved it, so she don't know where I came here to get it. Yeah, just get the guy sign the thing for me to get it, so I'm just gonna get it now.
And the watch is 129 plus your membership.
Okay. Oh, let me see it again. Looks beautiful. Okay. You like it, Raj? So guys, we eventually spent all day on the road. It's nice start to fall now, so take our time and go back home. Have like a 45 minutes drive to home, so let's rally on our journey. So guys, it's a new day again. Actually a new day, but nightfall again, and we didn't end with the vlog, so we're just here to say, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. What you want to tell the family, Raj? Tell them to like
it for
share,
share,
comment, and subscribe for more content.
more
And
content.
said, I love y'all.
I love y'all.
Big up.
Pip.
Bless up.
Ha.
Peace out.
Ha.
Peace out. Say peace out, guys.
Peace out, guys.
Alright.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?